Right.
Hello. Hello. Good morning. I'm Dr. GP in this clinic.
Hello, Doctor. Yes.
What seems to be the problem?
Sorry to trouble you, Doctor. My daughter is going to have a baby.
That sounds good.
Okay, but she's quite concerned with the baby's health because she thinks that we have to protect her from serious illnesses, and she's asking me to have this vaccine, which is called Boostrix.
Yes, that's that's right. Boostrix.
Right. Yes, and I think she's too anxious about this, but I'm not sure. I mean, it's she insists that I come and have this injection, but I don't really like injections, if it's unnecessary. And yes, so what is your opinion, Doctor?
What do you think about this vaccine?
Well, I think it's probably not necessary. I think my daughter is too anxious, and these are dangerous illnesses, but I don't think I would catch them.
Okay. Do you know about how much information do you have about this vaccine?
I think it's some serious illnesses, tetanus, diphtheria, and pertussis. I think it's these three. It covers these three.
Yeah, whooping cough. Yes.
That's right. Yes.
Whooping, yes. I agree with your daughter. It's highly recommended for all adults with close contact with newborns. Is that all right?
But do I get this illness? I don't go out much, I'm usually in the office and then go home. So why should I catch this illness?
Yes, it is less likely to catch this disease, but if 1% the newborn catch this disease, then it's fatal. Are you okay? Are you with me?
Yes, but right. Well, whooping cough. I don't know.
Let me explain. Let me more explain about this disease.
Okay.
Yeah. The whooping coughs. If the newborn catch the whooping cough, for example, 1%, then the patient start endless coughing, and then the oxygen cannot receive to the brain, called the hypoxic encephalopathy. It means that the brain starts damaging, and this is very I think this is very sadness when we can prevent of this disease. It's better to use the vaccine.
Right. Okay.
Are you agree with me? Do you agree with me?
I do agree. Yes.
Okay.
But, Doctor, is there any other way? I mean, is there any kind of oral or non-injection type of medicine or vaccine?
Yeah. Unfortunately, this vaccine is three in one vaccine.
Okay, I see.
Yes, and you should inject this vaccine, it means that I agree with you. The diphtheria or tetanus, it's not very in this time. It's very low rate, but because of the prevent of whooping cough, that is a fatal condition for new child born. It's essential to catch this vaccine.
Right. Okay.
Is that all right?
Yes, that's okay, doctor. Thank you. Okay.
Okay, you're welcome. I'd like to see you again next week for getting this vaccine.
Okay. 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 Thank you, doctor. Okay, I
You're
will see you.
welcome.
I will see you next week then.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Okay. Bye. Okay. How was that?
Good, but I forgot any item like empathy. I don't have any. I didn't have any empathy.
Okay. Well, actually, I don't think there was anything, but I mean, there was no pain to show empathy.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So your feeling was that it was okay, and
Oh, yes, good, yes.
what score would you give yourself?
7 to 8 out of 10.
Okay. Right. So, what went well? And what could be done differently? Yes.
I have a good rapport, I think, and information gathering is good.
Yep.
Was good.
Rapport information gathering was good, and exploring eyes. So it was structured, yeah. So
yes, not bad about the structure.
Okay, and
Razıyam çi میشه? من
I'm
razıyım.
satisfied. I'm content.
I'm satisfied. Yes, I'm satisfied about it.
And information giving. Okay, so why do you think why do you say 7 or 8? Why you don't? Why you're missing 2 marks here?
Because I think I have many hesitation. I had many hesitation.
Okay.
And I could use summarizing for this role play.
Okay.
Yes, it's better to use summarizing.
Okay, summarizing the eyes. What was the idea?
Idea, yes, my daughter is concerned about
it's over anxious. Okay.
over anxious.
I don't need this injection or this vaccine. Okay, what was the concern?
Catch the.
What is it that I'm worried and I say I don't need this vaccine? What am I worried about? I'm worried about the injection and worried about the serious illnesses I might catch with injection, with vaccine. So you didn't actually ask me particularly. You just said, okay. So why? What is it that you're concerned with? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I just mentioned, but I just said, is there any oral? Okay, that was a cue. Is there any oral form? Okay.
I didn't find this cue. I didn't think this is the a very important thing for the patient.
Okay. Yeah, sometimes they're worried about the injection. Sometimes they're worried that they might actually catch the illness. So if you explored, if you ask me further, I would
Yeah,
explain that I'm worried that if I get this injection, I might catch the illness. Okay. The expectation was that not having the injection, you just tell me I don't need that. Okay. But in fact, it wasn't the case. He actually needed injection. Okay, so that's the only thing I would say you didn't explore, and that was this one, the concern. Why does he not want to have the injection? Okay, just to explore that. Is it
yeah,
just because it's an injection? And then if you ask that, if you clarify when you're summarizing, you say, okay, so what you're saying is that you probably wouldn't need this vaccine. Is that correct? Yes, that's correct. And then um, is there anything in particular that causes you to think you don't need this or you shouldn't have this? Yes, it's the idea of having an injection, an unnecessary injection. I actually used injection 3 times, and then yeah, it's if I have the injection, I might actually catch the illness. Then you would say no, it wouldn't happen. So basically, you think that you don't need this injection. Is that correct? Yes, that's correct. Okay, but in fact, you do need that because the consequences is serious for the baby, and basically, it can be fatal. Good. Okay. Right. So, yep, it was very good, I think.
thank you.
You said the oxygen does not receive to brain. Okay. O2 O2 does not reach the brain. Okay. Not receive. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Very sadness? No. Very sad.
Yes.
It's very sad. Okay. Are you agree? Do you agree?
Mm.
Do you agree? Because it's a verb.
Yes, yes.
You said a low rate. They are. You actually need to say thank you. Rare. They are rare, not low rate.
Yeah, yeah. Rare.
Prevent of. Prevention of.
Oh,
Prevention of. Okay.
prevention.
And or if you say to prevent a disease or to prevent from a disease, okay? But prevention of. And so you said for getting this vaccine, to get this vaccine, okay? To receive, okay? To get or receive this vaccine. Okay. Right. Yeah, it was good. I think, yeah, you did well.
Thank you.
Okay. Do you want to do another one?
Yes, please.
Okay.